Hi, I'm Fat Papa. You see me in the room, so you know it's the food review. Today, what kind of food? Taco Bell. What are those? Let me show you how good they are and what is. Let us begin. Today is your first time watching my video. I'm Fat Papa. I do the food review and the cooking recipe. So if you did not subscribe my channel yet, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. Okay, let us back to the topic. Today I want to show you two new things. The new Taco Bell Crunchwrap and then the Nachos box. They have one is Supreme and I taste it. I think it's pretty much same, but this one the price a little bit more. So if you want, you can try the Supreme one. The price is almost $1 less. Like even I put the steak, still the price is less than this one is only the chicken. And the one I want to show you is the Nacho box. I know they are not new. Why I want to do this is that now a lot of people did not go to the movie theater. And for me, I got this. They are like a combo, $5, some plus tax, and then like they have a drink. And the original drink they said is a Mountain Dew type, but I don't like those. I would change to the Diet Pepsi. But you can also swap to other kind of drink, just add a little bit money. But this is like with this box and then a drink. Probably if you have two people, you cannot share, and then like you can buy two drinks and then one box of the Nacho. Or you can buy two of this and then for the whole family, see Friday night, movie night, like any night you watch the movie or anytime, like you Friday, all other sport now, like the basketball, NBA final or the football season, and like the any other many sport is coming up, like the coming film. I will recommend this. I buy one box $5 with a drink. And then they can substitute the chicken, I think it's without at any price in my location. Steak you need to add more, but I think the original is good enough. I didn't like try chicken or anything because natural, I still like the original ground beef. So how they taste? If you buy the Taco Bell those nachos before, they are good. And then they have like the whole box, like the fully ingredient in there. The price is really reasonable. They have avocado, like the salsa, cheese, beef, and then a lot of the nachos, plus the drink. Plus that I think it's at $6. I think even as a meal, I'm okay with it. But maybe a little bit too much nachos for me, but if I need to, that's enough. I can watch a movie, I can finish the whole boxes. Or you can share with your family. One not enough, get two, $10. It's just like you go to the theater and then I enjoy it, have fun. That's like the reason I want to introduce this. Again, this is not sponsored or advertisement. I see they have a new one. I tried it, I like it, and I think it's okay. That's why I want to introduce to you. And then for this one, I tried it before, but this time it's like, I just want to show you because it's also a new item. But like as I say, they have a Supreme. The Supreme is pretty similar. Inside has lettuce, has cheese. I ordered the chicken. Taste is good, but the price, I don't know. But that one have the bean. This one I choose no bean inside. That's like the difference. I cannot handle the bean. If I can choose no bean, I will like remove the bean. But if not, it's okay. It's not just I have a lot of gas after I have the bean. This one the taste is also good, but I just saying like they have other options too. If you ask me for the value on those, like maybe that of course it's not like now you see it, like you see me, it's like I will get cold like the chips. But if you buy it right away, eat it at night or right away, not like me, I need to set up all the camera, everything, and then it's already get cold. cold still good, but just like in the middle, the nachos they stick together. Otherwise, it will be really good. I hope you like the video, and this is a short video because, and then last week I don't upload on Wednesday too, because some family issue, so I cannot do it. And then this time I choose the light one. I tried those before, and then I just make a short video. I hope you will like it. And next week, I will back to normal. I will show you some food review for the from Costco. So I hope I will see you on next Wednesday or Sunday. I have a cooking recipe and another dessert coming up on this coming Sunday. So again, if you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell. So I have new video, you won't miss it. I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.